Now, fifth one is a SQL injection in evaluating the input validation check. So I have this image source from the port figure, and there are a lot of different types of SQL injection available. But we are understanding the basic regarding the SQL injection. So SQL injection. So SQL injection involve the attacker to providing input to the database, so which is received and used without any validation or any sanitization. So the result is debugging sensitive data and modifying data or even bypassing the authentication mechanism. So here we can, for example, if we are inject any uh, uh, SQL parameter in username password tab, and if we are getting the mm, any type of data from the database. So this type of attack you can consider as a SQL injection, and you can check out the Portswigger lab. There are different types of SQL injection lab is available. Now we are performing the SQL injection with Pentest lab. At, so just check out your home page and just checking the SQL injection. I think we have to perform on bypass authentication. Okay. So, for example, here is the login page portal. Okay. Now, just we are first we are intercepting the proxy first. Just I am enabling that. Okay. Now, just I am entering the username password like. mm, Okay. Just, okay. Now, just we are logging, and here we are getting the request. So this is the path, login portal path, and this is the username and password here. So now we are just testing here. For example, we are inserting the additional SQL parameter like. So here is the one cheat sheet we have opened, or like, okay, this is the bypassing login screen. So just we are using this. Okay. Okay, just copy that and just insert the here. Okay. Now, okay, now we are just forward this request and intercepting all, and just checking the response here. Okay, so and return to browser as a just okay. Now we are logged in using admin. You can see that here is the logout tab. We are just entering the cyber brew army, which is not related to right password, but we have inserted the SQL injection a parameter here. So you can check out the SQL injection cheat list on, you can search in Google. And for more additional type of attack you have to perform, just check out the Portswigger lab. This is the very good one lab, and you can check out this type of or type of attacks, and you can perform the lab as well as. So you can also identify the you can also get the how to prevent the SQL injection here. So I'm just performing the basic level of SQL injection. Okay. Now